Form a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are -3 and 2 respectively. Here's a breakdown of the question in simple language, along with examples. Understanding zeros. Imagine a quadratic polynomial is a road that goes up and down, like a hill. The zeros are the points where the road crosses the x-axis, kind of like where the hill meets the ground. The question is asking you to build a road, polynomial, that has its hills hitting the ground at specific points, zeros, that have a particular relationship to each other. Sum and product of zeros. The sum of the zeros is what you get when you add them together. The product of the zeros is what you get when you multiply them. The question gives you these clues about the zeros: their sum is -3 and their product is 2. Building the polynomial. To build the polynomial, we use a special pattern, x superscript 2, sum of zeros, x plus, product of zeros. Plugging in the values from the question, we get x superscript 2, -3, x plus 2. Simplifying, we get the quadratic polynomial, x superscript 2 plus 3x plus 2. Example with numbers. Imagine the zeros are -1 and -2. Their sum is -1 plus, -2, equals -3. Their product is, -1, x, -2, equals 2. The polynomial would be x superscript 2 plus 3x plus 2. Key points. The zeros of a quadratic polynomial are the values of x that make the polynomial equal to 0. The sum and product of the zeros can be found using the coefficients of the polynomial. The coefficient of x superscript 2 is always 1. The coefficient of x is the negative of the sum of the zeros. The constant term is the product of the zeros. Also check out other questions.